I worked at Amazon for 4 years. It was a dream job, but dreams do end, and not all endings are tragic. I did not leave because of the workload. I did not leave to escape something. I left to become something. Before I tell you why I left, you probably want to know why I joined. Amazon is a dream. It's like a university, but not just for tech. You learn business, leadership, systems, people. When I joined AWS, I landed in some truly strategic projects, like moving the options trading engine for a financial giant to the cloud. Imagine this: millions of users logging into their trading apps, placing orders for Tesla and other tickers, and the platform crashes every other week. My job: make it work at scale in AWS. That project taught me more than just cloud. It taught me how to deal with the real world. But then every journey has a beginning, and every beginning starts from an end. My journey to Amazon was not smooth. I applied for 5 years, interviewed with multiple teams before 2020, and every time it did not work out. But something shifted that year. The stars aligned, and finally the opportunity came. At that time, I was building a private cloud at BNY Mellon, fully immersed in security and enterprise cloud transformation. Cloud was my obsession. Security was my language. And I knew something big was coming. Then it happened. I got the call. Amazon wanted me to interview for an L6 role, senior account manager, specializing in security and financial services. I think it was exactly what I have been preparing for and needed at that time. The interview process was intense. It started with a recruiter call, then the hiring manager interview, then the on-sites. I think I have gone through 4 back-to-back interviews in one day. Leadership principles, system design, cloud and security technical round, and then finally bar raiser. I think that was the final interview. 2 months later, I had the offer, and in 2020, I joined Amazon. Life at Amazon was hectic. My role was fully customer-facing, and it came with high expectations. The first 3 months were like a training boot camp. I was building QBRs, MBRs, technical projects, and presenting them to the panels, which will then decide and approve if I can be suited for a C-level discussions with their customers. I passed with flying colors. And guess what? Within a couple of months from then, I was sitting in those C-level executive meetings at those financial institutions. I built incident response plans for over 30 major financial institutions in 1 year. In my second year, I transitioned to AWS Professional Services because the builder in me wanted to create, not just manage. By then, I was bringing in like $1 million in hard cash revenue to AWS by selling my hours to AWS customers. Along with that, I was doing internal work for AWS, like becoming a security bar raiser, writing blogs, being part of TFCs. It was a lot, but I was growing fast. Then come the turning point. Around year 3, I realized something. I had learned so much. I know cloud security, I know pre-sales, I know post-sales, I know how business works. And then I asked myself, if I can generate $1 million for Amazon, why can't I do it for myself? At the same time, I was getting frustrated. The bureaucracy, the slowness in moving the needle, the goals were not mine anymore. My goals needed freedom. They needed expansion. And then a lot changed. ChatGPT happened. It became the center of the world. Everyone was buying compute, refining data, trying to stay ahead in the AI race. Amazon was not far behind. They launched Bedrock in 2022, and suddenly every customer-facing engineer had to support and sell AI services. I was no different. My focus shifted overnight from security and fintech to AI. At first, I was resisting. Then I started getting curious. I dove deep. I learned LLMs, understood what kind of impact they are bringing, and then explored enterprise use cases. Then I studied AI security, and I saw the power of this shift, but still something inside me was just burning. My soul was tired of building someone else's roadmap. Now I wanted my own, because now I knew where the world was heading. AGI is inevitable. Human transformation is inevitable, and I did not want to just watch it happen. I want to be part of it. I want to be the part of this transition. I actually want to enable it. So I quit to learn, to build, to teach, to help others build AI, not just use it. Because the opportunity ahead of us is massive. We can build careers, we can build businesses, we can build entire new lives out of this AI revolution. And that is why I left Amazon.